In this video, I'll be showing you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet 1010 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the description box below. You would be able to see a link there. All you need to do is you need to copy it. And once you have copied it, directly navigate here or proceed to the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you have typed it, kindly wait until a best match would appear in this window, and once it's here, please click on the open option being placed at the right side of it to proceed. Okay, so in a few seconds, you would be navigated here at the Google Chrome browser. Just proceed here at the Windows search bar, click on the backspace key to clear it and make a right click and go with paste. Once you have pasted the link, hit the enter key in the keyboard and that way you would be navigated to the page where you can see the printer driver or the attachment where you can download the printer driver. Okay, so once done, proceed to the top side of that. You can see their download. Click on it and go with download as a zip file. Once you have downloaded it, please wait until this would be done. Okay, it might depend on the network connection that you are currently connecting, but please wait until it would be completed. Once done, please copy and move that to the desk. Okay, so once you have placed it here at the desktop, you need to unzip or extract the file by making a right click and click on extract all or either use the WinRAR tool to extract it. So click on this one and kindly wait until it would be finished. Once a new file folder has been created, that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Then this is the time that we will now start the installation. So by that here, the start icon, make a right click and scroll up and go with settings. Okay, so here at the settings, just have to wait until it would be set for you, okay, before we proceed. Now once ready, please navigate to the left pane and locate where Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. And eventually here at the Bluetooth and devices, you need to locate for printers and scanners. And you can get to see an option like add device. So please click on this one, add device, and wait until you would be able to see an option where you can manually add your printer driver. Once it's here, click on it. And in a few seconds, a new window would be showing up here where we get to see or where we can get to see here an option which is add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next and click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. It could be one, two, or three. So if you happen to have a HP port, sorry, an HP port, you can either use that. Okay, so click on net and then click on next. And here you need to go with have disk and click on browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate there, click on this one and extracted file here, double tapped. Okay, double tapped again. And since Windows 11 has 64-bit, then choose for the 64-bit and it will showing up the file here. Click on open and click on OK. And eventually you can get to see the HP LaserJet 1010. So click on next and try to give a name for it for easy identification. In my case, I'll be renaming it HP LaserJet 1010. Click on next and it will now start the installation. So please wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, click on next. Go with finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 1010 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.